Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. I'm not at home, so you might have a different voice quality, so I apologize for that. But I still wanted to give you a Polkadot update. So we take a look at the 1 hour chart here at the moment. You can see that so far it's basically just been moving sideways over the recent weeks. The idea is currently that a wave 4 might have formed a low there actually. That was here on the 23rd of January. And from this low point, a fifth wave to the upside might be unfolding. To determine targets, it's a little bit difficult because it really depends on how the structure now evolves. So if we are dealing with a 5-wave pattern, highlighted here in yellow, then we could see that maybe as an A wave of that wave 5. And then we should get another B wave and a C wave of the wave 5. So I think at the moment we just take it level by level, and it's worth being aware of the relevant points of breakout. And an important level here is, for example, this $8.60 level. Okay, we talked about that before. That's also here the 1.38 extension. A move above that level would certainly have bullish implications and would support a more directly bullish thesis. I am following currently the yellow count, but it's certainly getting challenged. I have to say that the third wave did not reach the ideal target though. Yeah, and it didn't even reach my minimum target. So I'm not happy to assume the third wave might be finished. It should still be unfolding, or the white scenario is unfolding here. And if the white scenario is unfolding, then the recent peak here was just a B wave top. And if that was a B wave top, it's very likely that we enter the yellow support zone again. If we re-enter the yellow support zone, then here we could potentially find some support between 440 and 585. I have to say though that the wave 2 low could be a point of breakdown. Okay, so that's a confirmation level that the white count is in control. That's at $6.55, and already a break below this yellow B wave low at basically $7 would be an early indication that the C wave is unfolding. I think at the moment it's nearly 50-50. To be honest, both are bullish scenarios, and I don't have a very solid, or I don't have any setup in the very short term. The only reasonable setup I see for a pullback trader might be to look for an opportunity in this zone. If the C wave to the downside occurs, maybe the market will offer that pullback, but that's absolutely not guaranteed. Okay, so we're just hovering just below resistance. I definitely give the yellow count a chance, but all I can say is that this third wave is not really long enough to be reliable, so it should really push a little higher. Only when that's done, I can give you a micro support area for wave 4, and then we can look at a wave 5 afterwards. And this wave 4 might be another opportunity for maybe some of you who might be scalping to try to find a position to trade wave 5. There is not really anything else that is noteworthy here other than the breakout point, which, as I said, is around 860. It's the previous swing high. That could send us more directly to $9, $9.36 next, $9.77 for wave 5. But once we have 5 waves complete, we can make a case that, this wave 4 bottomed around the 23rd of January, and I can then also add another larger support area, because after 5 waves, it typically gets likely that this entire 5-wave pattern gets corrected. And then we could look at the area that will be defined then. It's too early now, but we could then look at the area for a potential larger swing trade setup. But it takes the 5 waves. So let's assume the 5th wave gets to maybe $9.77. Then I will add a support area here, and it would probably be between 667 and 767. And we could then look at potential opportunities there. But it's a bit too early for that, and we just have to track at the moment and observe. So that's the update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.